Hello those traders, welcome to Successful Trading. In this video I'm going to do a recap of our day trading of QQQ option today and how we made a 20 bagger on QQQ day trading QQQ options. So this is the chart of the 390 puts of a QQQ expiring on November the 10th that we day traded today. But before that, let me go into my Discord room. Sorry about that. So here's the chart that we posted in Discord. But so we have a channel here that's called the QQQ that pays us. So the time, our Pacific time on here, this is when, for me, the day trade on QQQ puts really starts moving 10:15 thereabouts. So meaning that for the first 3 hours, almost 4 hours of the day, QQQ was going mostly sideways after initially. So this is the beginning of the day on here, right? So if I do this, could I do that? Yeah, so I can make it bigger. So the first candle you see here is the beginning. That's one is the beginning of the day, and then this one here was when this thing popped for the first time around 10:15 Eastern. So let me show you actually a side conversation I had with a trader. This trader, 11:02. Well, hey Telex, any advice? I miss out on an 11 bagger. Okay, so traders are missing out on 11 baggers and it's 11:02. So here's what I told him. So QQQ has been bearish since I posted the chart 40 minutes ago. I'm trading the 390 put from 13 cents. My hedge is November the 12th. Yeah, not today. That's something that I can teach you on here, how to offset your hedge and your main primary position when you are day trading. And I told the traders that, hey, during this conversation, that I think QQQ can go to 388. There were 2 hours and 10 minutes left. Then later on, 11:43, folks. So meaning there was exactly 30 less than 40. So 38 minutes later, QQQ was trading at 387.89. So those 388 puts even that. So then I asked the trader, well, hey, was my advice good enough? Then Mr. Easy said, very good, thanks a bunch. You're the best. I don't know about being the best, but we definitely can show you how to day trade QQQ here, especially on expiration day. So this is the chart. This is the full chart. Let me maybe put it horizontally. Yep, this is the full chart of this option here from 13 cents that I cut in. But to be honest with you, before that, they were literally like 8 cents. I think even 7 cents. So meaning that you could have gotten plenty of opportunity to get in this trade today, the 390 put. So that was what's transpired as a summary inside of our Discord room, day trading QQQ. I believe, let me sit on here and show you maybe the one of the channel on here, the hangout. There was at least one trader who, let's say, was making money on this one as well. Let's see, I'm asking traders. Yeah, so I believe Miss Queen here sold my QQQ too early, but she will take 147% return any day. So yeah, it was a pretty good trade, day trading QQQ put today. How does it look like from, let's say, if you wanted to chart, you have Webull and you wanted to look at the chart. This is the chart of that option, yeah? So you can see on here, the timestamp here, 8 cents, yeah, at 13:05, that's Eastern time, because the end of the day there, it's 4 p.m. Eastern. So here at this time on here, let me put that house. So I'm reading the open 0.9 cents, the high is 21 cents, the close 21 cents, the low was 8 cents. So you could have gotten into this trade numerous way, all the way to $2.60 there if you wanted, as you see the high on there. So not bad for a day trading on QQQ on a Wednesday with a 20 bagger. Tomorrow is Thursday. We are planning on doing a live day trading session tomorrow on Veterans Day. So join us starting at 6:30 Pacific, 9:30 Eastern for a live day trading session featuring the one and only QQQ. That's we trade here at Successful Tradings. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.